Welcome to Merchant Services Training with your host, Rich Norton. Very excited, very happy to share some valuable information for you. You are beginning in the merchant services world, or you're thinking about beginning. I'm here to help you. I'm giving you 26 plus years of high level experience. I still write over 300 merchants in a year. I was on a sales blitz last week. I wrote 19 in 1 week. Why do I do that? Because I'm crazy, I'm competitive, I love it. I love leading by example. Again, my passion is to help you to have great success, and I love to celebrate representatives' success. So what I want you to do as you're beginning, the first thing that I want you to do is to get a big board, a vision board, we call it, or a notebook. And on the top of that, I want you to write out the letters W-H-Y. Why? And this has to be very specific. Why are you doing this? Now, it cannot be, I want to make a lot of money, and this seems like a great idea or a great opportunity, so I'm going to give it a shot. It can't be like that. It has to be very specific. I talk to many representatives. I get calls daily, and it could be my family. I have a new baby. I have a lot of dreams. I have great opportunities. I want to have success because, and you write all the reasons why you want to do this. The second thing that I want you to do is to set a goal to make in residual income what your lifestyle is. For example, if you need to make $5,000 a month, write that out, and then you're going to set a goal on how quick that you can get there. $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month, whatever the number is, you're going to do that. And then the third thing that you're going to do is I want you to think about all the businesses that you know, all the businesses that you kind of know, all the businesses that you think you know, your family knows, people where your friends, they own businesses, where you get your hair cut, where your wife gets her nails done, where you get your nails done, whatever it might be, people you go to church with, you will be amazed on how big that list can be. And you start writing that out. We call that the warm list. Those are the low-hanging fruit. So those are the first three things that we want you to do as you begin this business. So you're setting goals, and you are putting together a plan of success. And let me stress this. There are a lot of companies out there. Of course, I've been with the same company for 20-something years. I run the largest team for Payrock. We have hundreds of representatives around the country. We're celebrating their success everywhere. Let me encourage you, do not be a lone ranger in this business. I have people calling me up. I want to start this great business. I want to get all this kind of money, and they don't even know what they're doing, what they're talking about. That's fine. So it's important. These two things I want to share with you. Get with the right company. Now, what I mean by the right company, the right company is going to be a company that you know is solid, a company that is going to take care of your merchants, a company that has excellent customer service. Beware of the ones, not putting anybody down, but someone working out of their basement, you can't get a hold of them. Beware of that. I've heard a lot of stories about that. Nothing against them, but get with a solid company that you know your merchants are taken care of, but also you know you can build a future with. A company that you know while you're building your business is going to be protected. Your residuals are going to be protected. There's tons of stories out there, unfortunately, with other companies where people have lost their residuals because of quotas or whatever it might be. Gratefully, you want to make sure you've got the right company so you can have that attitude of gratitude and be grateful for your opportunity. And also, you want to make sure that you have the proper training. Do not be a lone ranger. Surround yourself with winners. Surround yourself with a team. We are very fortunate to say that within our organization, every representative that we bring in, the first thing that we do is we assign them a coach, a mentor, a field leader, and they're going to work with them for the first 30 days. It doesn't stop there, but they're extensive training. In the morning, they meet with them, get their day ready. Throughout the day, they work with them, they answer questions, they field questions. At the end of the day, they review. So this is what we call a field leader or a coach or a mentor. I have a university that I created that covers everything that representatives need to know to have success in the industry. We also have team meetings. We have Monday Zoom calls. It's important to have constant growth. We keep learning no matter what level that we reach. We keep on learning. One of the great things that we do, the most exciting things, is what we call sales blitzes. And with sales blitzes, it's like merchant services boot camp is the best way to explain it. And like I said, we had one a couple weeks ago. And with that, they're great. We had one in Columbus, Georgia, and we get about 75 merchants written, lots of training. We meet at 7 o'clock in the morning. Big sales motivation class. We pair up new people with professionals. There's no better training than that. And then we have selling throughout the day. We have some role playing at the end of the day. And then we have a great fellowship dinner. And then we go to bed early and we do the same thing the next day. Representatives learn more in that 1 week than they probably would for about 3 months. This is just parts of the training that we do. Let me encourage you to get involved with a team that's going to help you succeed and a team that's doing it themselves. Our policy, our philosophy is do what we do, make the commitment, and you are going to have great success. So set your goals, make it happen, get with the right company, get with the right team, be encouraged. You are going to have incredible success in the industry. I wish you all the success that you are willing to work for. Thank you for tuning in. If you would like to apply for a position with the Norton Super Crew, click the link below and fill out the application, or you can even reach out to me at 904-434-4635.